Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to boost a server in Discord. First of all, launch open Discord application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Discord has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At left, you'll be able to see all of your servers over here. Make sure you've selected the server that you want to boost. Once you do that, at top, you'll be able to see the server name over here. What you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like boost, invite, notifications and settings. What you have to do is tap on the boost option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to boost the server. If you boost the server, you'll be able to unlock various perks. You can boost it to level 1, level 2 and level 3. You can see over here if you boost to level 1, you'll be able to enjoy the perks like 100 emoji slots, animated server icon, 128 kbps audio quality. Likewise, you'll also be able to see the perks for level 2 and level 3 over here. So in order to boost the server, what you have to do is simply tap on this option, boost this server, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to choose the plan over here. You'll be able to see the Nitro plans, Nitro plus boost plans. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see the boost plans over here. Also, you'll be able to see the amount that you'll have to pay. Simply tap on the plan of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll be able to boost this server. You'll be able to find this option for add credit or debit card over here. Tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the credit or debit card. All you have to do is enter the card informations over here. First of all, enter the card number. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter the expiry date. First of all, enter the month. After you do that, enter the year. Likewise, enter the security code over here. Also, you'll have to provide the information regarding cardholder name, street address. Also, you'll have to enter the apartment, suite, etc. You'll also have to enter the city. Now after you enter all this information, tap on this option, save card, that you can see on the screen. Now if the informations are correct, the card will be saved. After you do that, you'll be able to use this card in order to pay for the boost. Once the transaction is completed, your server will be boosted and you'll be able to enjoy the perks. So that is how you boost a server in Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.